Welcome to Freedom Review. Here I rank the top 5 products you can trust. Tired of bulky drills that strain your wrist on tight jobs or weak motors that stall out mid-task? That frustration builds when you lose precision or waste time swapping tools constantly. It often comes down to poor ergonomics and underpowered batteries in everyday use. Compact, capable 12V drills solve this with balanced power and portability. So we tested and ranked the best 12V drill to help you choose the right one. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch PS21 12V drill, a great option for tight space screw driving and quick household fixes. Our first impression was its ultra-compact size, feeling like an extension of your hand at just 5.6 inches long and super lightweight around 1.8 pounds. This pocket driver tackles the pain of bulky tools in confined areas by offering exceptional maneuverability and solid torque that gets screws in without fuss, even in awkward spots. The auto-lock function adds handy manual torque when needed. Compared to the AVID power below it, the Bosch PS21 excels in pure compactness and build refinement for pros who value portability, though it lacks a traditional chuck for larger bits that some budget options provide. Our mini verdict: the Bosch PS21 is perfect for electricians, installers, or DIYers who frequently work in tight quarters and need a reliable pocket driver that punches above its size. Starting at number 4, brings us the AVID Power 12V drill, ideal for beginners and light home projects around the house. Right away, its affordable kit feel with included bits and accessories gave a practical, ready-to-use first impression for everyday tasks. The core benefit hits weak power and limited runtime by providing decent torque around 22 Nm and a keyless chuck that handles basic drilling and driving without constant frustration. It keeps simple jobs moving smoothly. Additional features focus on usability with a lightweight design around 3 pounds, ergonomic handle, and bundled accessory kits that add immediate value. It's straightforward for quick assembly or repairs. This is where it really stands out versus the Bosch PS21. The AVID Power offers a full chuck and broader bit compatibility at a lower price, making it more approachable for casual users despite less premium refinement than higher-ranked Bosch or brushless models. Final verdict: choose the AVID Power if you're starting out with home DIY and want an inexpensive, versatile 12V drill kit that covers most basic needs without complexity. Starting at number 3 is the Bosch PS31 12V drill, a strong pick for professionals needing balanced power in a compact form. The first experience highlighted its short 7-inch length and lightweight build around 2 pounds, feeling professional yet easy to handle all day. It solves the issue of insufficient torque in small packages with 265 nlbs max and a keyless 3/8-inch chuck that tackles a wide range of materials confidently. This reliability reduces downtime on job sites. Additional features include an improved LED with battery gauge, soft grip, durable construction, and fast charging options. The overall ergonomics support extended use with less fatigue. But here's the key difference compared to the AVID Power. The Bosch PS31 delivers noticeably better torque consistency and build quality that professionals trust, closing in on brushless efficiency while remaining accessible. Our verdict here: the Bosch PS31 suits tradespeople and serious DIYers who want compact power with a traditional chuck for versatile drilling and driving tasks. Coming in at number 2, the ENON Brushless Cordless 12V drill targets users wanting efficient, longer-lasting performance in a budget brushless package. Initial impressions focused on its modern motor design and solid feel that suggested good runtime and power for the size. This drill addresses heat buildup and shorter battery life common in brushed motors by using brushless technology for cooler operation, higher efficiency, and sustained power during repetitive tasks. Functionality offers variable speeds up to 1,500 revolutions per minute, strong torque for its 12V class, and a keyless chuck that supports drilling in wood, metal, and more with reversible action for versatility. Additional features include multiple batteries in kits, ergonomic grip, LED lighting, and durable housing that withstands job site conditions. The brushless motor extends overall tool life noticeably. Compared to the Bosch PS31, the ENON stands out with brushless efficiency and potentially better value for extended use, though it may not match the premium refinement or exact torque tuning of top-tier options. Mini verdict: the ENON Brushless is excellent for DIY enthusiasts and light pros seeking efficient, modern 12V performance that lasts longer between charges. At the top spot at number 1 is the HOTO 16V brushless power drill, our best overall for smart, user-friendly power in a stylish compact design. From the start, its premium build, digital display, and innovative features felt like a next-level tool that blends power with intelligence. The standout core benefit crushes guesswork in torque settings and battery anxiety with a smart LED display, auto mode, and high 50 Nm torque from the brushless motor that adapts seamlessly to tasks. Performance delivers dual speeds up to 1,700 revolutions per minute, 32 plus 1 torque levels, a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, and USB-C charging with solid 1,900 mAh runtime for efficient drilling and driving across materials. Additional features shine with pulse mode for safety, bright LED, high-quality bits included, comfortable ergonomics, and a modern aesthetic that makes it a joy to use. The digital interface adds precision like never before. This one differentiates from everything else with its smart display and higher 16V output combined with brushless efficiency, offering the most intuitive and powerful experience while maintaining portability that others approach but don't fully match. Final verdict: the HOTO 16V brushless is the one to buy for homeowners, makers, and pros who appreciate innovative features, strong performance, and modern convenience in a compact drill. Different users need different options depending on their specific jobs, budget, and preferences. Check the links in the description for the latest details and availability to find your ideal match. Happy building!